it's me, Miss Angie. How are you? And thank you for joining me. Today I have a book that we're going to read together. This is called Trashy Town by Andrea Zimmerman and David Klemsha, illustrated by Dan Yacarino. What do you think this book is about? Do you think it's about going to the grocery store?
No.
No. Do you think it's about visiting the zoo?
No.
No. Do you think it's about a town with trash and a trash truck?
Yes!
Yes, good job. Let's read it together and find out more. This is called Trashy Town. Mr. Gilly is a trash man. There he is, Mr. Gilly, and here's his trash truck. In the morning, Mr. Gilly puts on his heavy gloves. He climbs into his big trash truck. He turns the key. He drives his empty truck down the street. He's looking for some trash. There he is, driving his trash truck. Stop! There are trash cans by the school. Mr. Gilly empties the cans into the truck. Dump it in, smash it down, drive around the trashy town. Is the trash truck full yet? No! Mr. Gilly drives on. There are the trash cans by the school, and there are the kids waving hi to Mr. Gilly. Stop! There are trash cans in the park. Mr. Gilly empties the cans into the truck. Dump it in, smash it down, drive around the trashy town. Is the trash truck full yet? No! Mr. Gilly drives on. There he is, collecting the trash at the park. Stop! There are trash cans behind the pizza parlor. Mr. Gilly empties the trash cans into the truck. Dump it in, smash it down, drive around the trashy town. Is the trash truck full yet? No. Mr. Gilly drives on. There's the pizza parlor with the trash in the back. And there's Mr. Gilly collecting the trash. Stop! There are trash cans next to the doctor's office. Mr. Gilly empties the trash cans into the truck. Dump it in, smash it down, drive around the trashy town. Is the trash truck full yet? No. Mr. Gilly drives on. Okay, here's Mr. Gilly looking at the trash. He's moving on. Stop! There are trash cans by the fire station. Mr. Gilly empties the cans into the truck. Dump it in, smash it down, drive around the trashy town. Is the trash truck full yet? No. He's gonna keep going. Mr. Gilly drives down all the streets in Trashy Town. He empties all the trash cans into the truck. Look at all those trash cans. Dump it in, smash it down, drive around the trashy town. Is the trash truck full yet? Yes! Mr. Gilly has cleaned up the whole town. Look at him. He's ready. He put all the trash in the trash truck and he is ready. He's wiping his head. Whoo, he says. Mr. Gilly drives the full trash truck to the dump. Up, up, up goes the truck. Down, down, down goes the trash. He drives up and dumps it out and the trash goes down. I dumped it in, I smashed it down. I love to clean up Trashy Town. He does a good job. Thank you, Mr. Gilly. Mr. Gilly turns off the key. He takes off his gloves, then he goes home. Now there's only one more thing to clean up. Time for a bath, Mr. Gilly. It's time for him to get all cleaned up. The end. Thank you for reading the book with me. What was your favorite part of the book? Was it when Mr. Gilly was getting ready at the beginning of the book? Or was it one of the places that Mr. Gilly picked up the trash? Maybe the doctor's office? Or the fire station? Or maybe the school where he picked up all the trash? Or was it in the end when he got home and he cleaned up himself with a bath? Those were all good parts of the book. Now, today for our activity, what we're going to get to do is we're going to clean up Trashy Town ourselves. So let's get ready. Here's our activity. So here I have a blue truck just like Mr. Gilly's. Here it is. And here we have some pictures of different places that Mr. Gilly went. So here is a house. Here is a fire station. Here is a hospital or doctor's offices. Here is a school, a park, and this one is a pizza parlor. So next to them, there's some trash that we're gonna get to put inside of Mr. Gilly's trash truck. Are you ready? Let's do it together. Okay, the first one is here on the top. Can you see the house? Let's count how many trash pictures are at the house. One, two, three. There are 3 there. Can you say, put 3 trash pictures in the trash truck?
Put 3 trash pictures in the trash.
Good job. And we'll get them and put them in the trash truck. This one goes in the trash truck. 1, 2, 3. Is the trash truck full yet?
No.
No. Let's keep going. Let's see this next one right here. Here is the fire station. Let's count how many trash pictures are there at the fire station. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 pictures at the trash station. Okay, can you say, I need 4 pictures from the fire station to put in the truck?
I need 4 pictures from the fire station to put in the truck.
Good job. And we can put them in the blue trash truck. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3 in the truck. And the last one, 4 in the truck. Is the trash truck full yet?
No.
No, we still have more. Let's keep going. Okay, the next one is the hospital or the doctor's offices. Let's count how many trash pictures are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 trash pictures there. Let's put them inside of the trash truck. Can you say 7 trash pictures go in the blue truck?
7 trash pictures go in the blue truck.
Good job. Let's put them inside. And let's count them. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 trash pictures. Okay, now what else do you remember from the book? Do you remember Remember stopping by the school to pick up the trash? Good job. Yes, the next one is a school. But first, let's count how many trash pictures there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the school. Can you say, we found 5 trash bags at the school?
We found 5 trash bags at the school.
Good job. And let's put them inside of the trash truck. Okay, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 of them in the trash truck. Is the trash truck full yet?
No.
No, we have 2 more places to go. Okay, let's see the next one. The next one is a picture of a park. Do you remember it from the book?
Yes.
Good job. Now let's see how many pictures of trash do we find at the park. Ready? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3 pictures. Can you say, I need 3 pictures of trash in the blue trash truck?
I need 3 pictures of trash in the blue truck.
Good job. And let's put them inside of the trash truck. It's almost getting full. Okay. Let's count them as we put them in. 1, 2, 3.
3.
Is the trash truck full yet?
No.
No, not yet. We have 1 more to go pick up the trash. Okay. Do you see? It's the pizza parlor. Let's count how many pictures of trash are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you say, I need 4 trash pictures to go in the blue truck?
4 trash pictures to go in the blue
Good job. And we'll put them in the blue truck. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
4.
Oh my, this trash truck looks pretty full. Is the trash truck full yet?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you for helping me clean up all the trash from these places. And thank you for reading the book with me. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.